Kunjani? Siyaphila nathi.
Even take a wall from the area where the former president of the country give the where he was
Morning Premier. Kunjani? Siyaphila nathi.
It was an attack. The majority of the country
not just factors are the objective conditions firstly, and those conditions is unemployment, poverty and inequality, and the failure of the ANC to temper with these challenges and ensure delivery and improvement of the living conditions. So those are fundamental issues at an objective level. But subjectively, inside the ANC, I think issues of divisions, issues of weak structures as said by Nubala, that in some cases we conducted elections with no structures, and issues of corruption and other weaknesses leveled against the ANC leadership are a cause of concern and a cause of that hate and dissatisfaction. So this is the honest reflection from where we stand. However, the PEC is yet to meet and take full stock of the situation. Are we taking full responsibility? If you are responsible and you are a responsible leader, you take full responsibility and become accountable, whether you succeed or you